Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use IFERROR function in Excel. Here we have some data values A and B, and we will divide these values by equal formula. Select the A value divided by B value and enter, and we will drag it to remaining values. Here you can see the third cell in B column is empty, so the Excel hasn't returned a value. Similarly, here it is empty and Excel hasn't returned the value. So here we will use IFERROR formula to state some value. And for this we will go here. We will write formula here if error, and we'll go at the end and comma, and here you can see value if error. So we will write in double quotation, and suppose I'm writing hyphen. So it means that I want to show hyphen symbol where the value is not correct. So enter, and now drag this new formula to remaining cell, and here you can see where the value doesn't exist, it has returned a hyphen. So this is how you can use IFERROR function in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.